Kumaon Regiment believes in the power of Ma Hat Kalika behind making Pakistan surrender on its knees in 1971. In the victory saga of the army behind Vijay Divas, the Shakti Peeth of the Mother Hat Kalika of Gangoli Hat, Uttarakhand has been also an important blessing. After the historic victory of the 1971 war, the Kumaon Regiment had installed the idol of Ma Mahakalika near the Shakti Sthal in the temple. The temple of Ma Hat Kalika is also established in Kumaon Regiment Center, Ranikhet. Hat Kalika temple is situated amidst the dense Devdar forest of Kumaon region in Gangoli Hat, Pithoragarh, Uttarakhand, India. It is believed that the goddess Kali shifted her abode from West Bengal to this place and has been the popular goddess in the area of Kumaon, Gangoli Hat, Uttarakhand. During World War II, as the Indian Army ship began sinking in India's Bay of Bengal, military officers asked the soldiers on board to worship their presiding deity. The ship sank safely as soon as the soldiers of Kumaon Regiment chanting mantra of Hat Kalika. After this incident, the Kumaon Regiment accepted Hat Kalika Devi as its patron goddess. Since then, the Kumaon Regiment consider goddess Hat Kali as Ishta Devi of the patron goddess of the regiment. One can see the saga of Kumaon Regiment and their accomplishment win in the number of war that is printed on the temple wall. The regiment always visit at this temple and offer their service. The abode of Hat Kalika at Kumaon Gangoli Hat finds its mention in the very ancient religious text Puran. The Adi Guru Shankaracharya chose this place to install the Mahakali Shakti Peeth. A perpetual holy fire burned at the temple site since time immemorial, which is considered to be the power of the goddess. Thousands of devotees visit to this holy shrine on Navratra from all parts of India. Gangoli Hart Kalika temple can be easily reached by road from Delhi. Nearest railway station is Katgodam, Haldwani. Nearest airport is Pantnagar, Uttarakhand, India. You can also hire a cab taxi from Delhi or anywhere from Uttarakhand. Thank you for watching Uttarakhand Temple History. Please like, share and subscribe. God bless. Take care. Stay healthy. Keep smiling. We always pray for your good health.
या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै नमस्तस्यै